Welcome to Toffee Ride. Dirt. Paul and Samir are playing football. Samir is back home. His mom is surprised to see the dirt on his shirt, trousers, and shoes. Anything like mud or dust that makes something else unclean or not clean is dirt. There is dirt on the car. I cleaned the dirt on my hands with soap and water. Tom stepped on dirt and his shoe got dirty. Ryan cleaned the dirt on the carpet. Fill in the blank. Cinderella cleaned the dash on the floor with a wet cloth. Options: dirt, dirty, dirt. Dirt on the floor. Cinderella cleaned the dirt on the floor with a wet cloth. Select the image suitable for the sentence. The kids jumped in the muddy puddle. Muddy puddle. The kids are jumping in the muddy puddle. Their legs are covered in dirt. Spell the word by clicking on the letters below. Dirt. Dirt. Dirt is spelled as D-I-R-T. Anything like mud or dust that makes something else unclean or not clean is dirt. Rehan left shoe tracks all over the floor. Why? Options: because his shoes are clean, because he has dirt on his hands, because he has dirt on his shoe. Dirt on the shoes. Rehan has dirt on his shoes. So, when he walked, he left his shoe tracks on a clean floor. How many clothes have dirt on them? Options: 3, 4, all the clothes. Dirt on clothes. As we can see, 4 clothes in the image have dirt on them. 2 other clothes are clean. Read the passage and answer the question. Emma splashed dash on Mr. Jim. Options: water, dirt, dust. Dirt. Emma was riding her bike. She splashed dirt on Mr. Jim. She said, "Sorry,